Guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your spoiler, which this one is missing, but it also leaves the screws intact, so it's basically taking it out the same way. And also change your third brake light. So I go ahead and I have this one right here already. It's the spoiler that I'm talking about. Also your third brake light. So if you have this out, just gonna need to take out those two screws. Yeah, those two torque right there, torque screws. Need to take them out, and then the third brake light will come out. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these screws up here. There should be 10mm. You have one right here, one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right there. All right. Gotta take out those caps to see the screws. Alright, so you want to go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver. Take this out right here. All your fingers is strong. And inside there you will have your 10mm right there. Get it to focus. Alright, those are what we want to take out, and in the middle we have a clip. Alright, so there I put something over the glass to help with the lighting, so you can see it more better. I'm gonna go ahead and take out those 10mm right there. Alright. Very careful not to drop the screw. Not in there. Alright. So now I'm going to take out a clip. Just a little long plier. Put it in there. Hold it. And it will come out like that. Alright. So now it's time to bring down this right here. Now the lighting is showing it off, but that. Alright, so now it's time to put back your nut. Careful not to let it drop. You need to tighten it a lot. Alright, that's how you do that. Alright, so you replace the third brake lamp and the spoiler.